I'm utilizing transglutaminase, also known as meat glue. Transglutaminase is a naturally occurring enzyme found in humans, animals, and plants. It is frequently used as a food ingredient to bind proteins together, enhance food texture, or develop new products. The particular product I'm using is called Activa RM.
I took a 24-inch roll of plastic wrap and carefully began wrapping it around the reassembled protein. As I glided the wrap over the surface, I stretched it taut, aiming for a perfectly tight cylinder to hold everything together securely. After making around 10 to 12 complete turns, I twisted the ends of the wrap in the opposite direction, creating a snug seal. With precision, I secured the wrap using butcher's twine, ensuring everything was as tight as possible. The Activa RM, aka meat glue, will take up to 24 to 36 hours to bind the proteins under refrigeration. The Activa RM, commonly referred to as meat glue, is a powerful enzyme that effectively binds proteins together. When applied, it requires a refrigeration period of up to 36 hours to fully activate and achieve a strong, cohesive bond between the proteins. This process results in a firm and unified texture.
After testing processing times of 8 and 12 hours, I discovered that 12 hours achieved the ideal texture for sandwiches. This method truly elevates your meal experience.
After smoking the lamb roast for an hour, allowing the rich, smoky flavors to infuse the meat, I carefully removed it from the grill and placed it on a serving plate to rest. The aroma was intoxicating, with hints of herbs and spices lingering in the air. Next, I cranked the grill up to a blazing 700 degrees, eager to create a beautifully caramelized crust on the outside of the roast. The sizzle of the meat meeting the intense heat promised a delicious sear that would lock in all the juices and enhance the flavor.
Middle Eastern slaw. 1. Start by sprinkling the cabbage generously with salt. Let it sit for 30 minutes to draw out excess water. Afterward, drain the drained water and proceed with the recipe. Ingredients: half of a small head of purple cabbage, shredded. Half of a small head of green cabbage, shredded. 1 carrot, shredded. 2 small jalapeños, finely chopped. About 1 cup of chopped green onions. A small basket of cherry tomatoes, sliced into thirds. A handful of chopped Italian parsley, dill, and mint. This combination creates a vibrant and flavorful slaw. For the dressing: juice and zest of 2 lemons. 3 whole garlic cloves. Zaatar spice to taste. Olive oil to taste. Combine all the dressing ingredients in a mini food processor and blend until smooth. Toss the slaw with the dressing to coat evenly. Enjoy.
Wow, this is absolutely delicious! The pita and burrito options truly outshine the sandwich. The grilling of the sous-vide lamb brought a remarkable depth of flavor, making it a true grand slam. Each bite burst with rich taste, and the textures provided a wonderfully satisfying experience, creating a delightful culinary journey.